Hey guys, it's your girl Shari Shine and I'm back with another hair tutorial. Stay tuned to see how I created this beautiful jumbo flat twist style. To start, I'll be shampooing my hair with the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Antioxidant Shampoo. I use this to get rid of all the buildup after my protective style. Following shampoo, I'm going to use the 5-minute reviving mask, also from the Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. Remember, conditioner is moisture, and it's important for our hair to remain properly moisturized to prevent breakage. For this style, I want my twist to have lots of volume, so I'm stretching my hair using the tension method. Instead of continuously raking a comb through my hair, I take a detangled section, hold it taut, and simply apply heat to the section. I don't think you quite understand the levels to this volume. Let me show you real quick. Hold up. I know you're in, but you're calling me. In Miami on the Monday. Feeling myself. Yes. After dividing my hair into 3 large sections, I'll be applying the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Texture Beautifier Mousse to set my twist in place. So why opt for a mousse instead of a gel or a cream? Well, this product offers what I like to describe as flexible hold. It's not near as heavy and provides a much softer hold for your braid outs, wash and goes, flat twists, whatever style you're trying to achieve, especially for you girls with looser curl patterns. I'm just simply taking a couple of pumps, applying it to each section, and flat twisting my hair back. So if you're looking for a product that doesn't weigh your hair down, but it defines your curls and provides flexible hold, I'd highly recommend the Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection from the Mane Choice. The mousse and sherbet from this line are lightweight styling agents designed to give your curls a boost without weighing them down. Do any of you watching this video ever struggle finding a product that's lightweight enough to define and shape your curls without weighing them down? Comment down below and share with me some of your experiences. And if you've ever used the Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection from the Mane Choice, be sure you're taking pictures, uploading it to your Instagram, and tagging us in it. We want to see your creations. The next step is to secure the ends of each twist. I'll be using a regular size bobby pin to complete this step. For more natural hairstyles and inspiration by yours truly, be sure you are following me on all of my social media platforms. You can find me on Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram at Shari Shine, and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, also at Shari Shine. Drop the ad though. Now for the last and final step of this style, I'm going to use a rat tail comb and use the end to lift the root of each twist. This is how you get that beautiful, voluminous, textured volume right here in this step. All there's left to do is lay your edges and slay. You can now find the entire Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection at Sally Beauty and online at www.themanechoice.com. I am Shari Shine. Thank you so much for tuning in for this tutorial, and until next time, peace and blessings.